If you're only interested in one group of a variable and not both groups, then you can use the select cases command. So for example, I may be interested in final percent grade only for males or only for females and not for both. To select cases, you go into Data and then Select Cases. You press this second option if condition is satisfied, and you have to press the if button to specify what those conditions are. In this case, we're going to use gender is equal to 1. So it'll select the cases where gender is equal to 1. Press continue and then OK. No output will be given here at the bottom. But over here in the status bar of the data view, you can see that it now says that there's a filter on. So anything that we do now in SPSS is going to be affected by this filter. Over here in gender, you can see we have gender is equal to 1. Those are the cases that we've selected. And as we get into gender is equal to 2, you can see that SPSS has essentially crossed out those cases, which means that they are not going to be used in whichever analysis is requested. It's always a good idea when you create a filter to go along and visually check that SPSS is crossing out the right cases to make sure that you've asked that in the correct way. So now if I were to request some descriptive statistics on final percent grade, I will get that for only one group, for gender equals 1. In the variable view, we can see that gender 1 is equal to female. So this means that this is the output for just females. So the males are completely ignored. Just like split file, we have to make sure that this filter is turned off before we do anything else. So after you finish using it, you have to make sure that you turn it off. And to do that, you go back into select cases, you press reset, and then you press OK. And you can confirm that the filter is off using the status bar down here, or going back into your data view and seeing that none of the cases are crossed out.